What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done a video, but today I'm going to do my World Race packing video. This is for training camp, which I'm leaving for in 2 days. It might change after that, so this is kind of a test run, but this is what's going to be in my pack. So for my main pack, I'm using an Osprey Aether, I believe is how you say it. 70 liter pack. It also has a day pack on top of it that I'm just going to leave attached. I have one large REI packing cube that has 2 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of pants, a pair of jeans, and some running shorts. A medium REI packing cube that has 8 shirts in it. A medium Eagle Creek packing cube that has 10 pairs of underwear and 5 pairs of socks. And 2 smaller packing cubes that will have my toiletries and chargers and things like that in them. My Nemo sleeping bag that is in a Sea to Summit compression sack. I believe it's a large. My Eno double nest hammock and the straps. My Nemo Hornet 2-person tent and the footprint. My Helix camping chair that only weighs a pound that I got at REI. I would highly recommend it because it's super lightweight and gives you a thing to sit on. Also my Drylight extra large microfiber quick dry towel will be in there as well. And last but not least for my main pack is my Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe large sleeping pad, which is super comfortable. I've slept on it a couple times. It was kind of pricey, but worth it since this is my bed for the next year. For my day pack, I'm using an Osprey Hikelight 26 liter day pack. I'm going to have a Sea to Summit dry bag, compression dry bag inside of it to line it, because inside of my day pack will be all of my camera gear, laptop, everything like that, so I want to keep it dry in case it rains. And also the day pack has a built-in rain cover built into the pack. Inside of there I will have my Sea to Summit sleeping bag, sleeping liner. It has an insect shield. Don't know why it's not focusing. Come on, friend. To sleep on, just because I would rather carry that around and be comfortable. For shoes, I'm taking Chacos, which I will wear most of the time because our route is very hot. So the only time I'll really be wearing shoes is maybe if they're required for hard labor and also running. So my shoes are going to double as tennis shoes, but also my running shoes. Some Old Navy flip-flops for shower shoes. A Sea to Summit Airporter to put my main pack in for when we travel on the airplanes. My North Face Venture 2 rain jacket that I would highly recommend. I got it at the North Face outlet for super cheap. And my Martin travel guitar, which I'm still learning to play, but people on my squad asked me to bring it, so we'll see how that goes. I will also have my hydro flask, and the camera that I'm currently using will also be in my day pack, which is a Canon T5i, and I have a light for that. That's also my sleeping mask, and a microphone that I will be bringing to training camp as well. But that's what I'm bringing to training camp. It might change for the world race, which is in a couple of months. But like I said, leave for training camp in 2 days. I'm meeting my squad. There's like 15 of us meeting in Nashville, so that's going to be fun. Then a group of us are going for storyteller training on Monday, and the rest of our squad gets there on Tuesday. So stay tuned for those videos.